Hello friends, another new Photoshop effect tutorial with you today. The video I want to show you is cool. It is a decay effect. By creating a decay effect on the main object on photos. In fact, it is not complicated and simply gives gorgeous results at the end. Here we simplify the idea behind the effect to make it easy to apply on any other image. Let's go. Put the photo in Photoshop to start editing. First, we need to separate our main object in the photo. In this example, we will apply the effect on the motorcycle by pressing Ctrl+J, duplicating the base layer. One for the main object, other for the background. And we can hide the original for backup. Now on Effect Object, separate the motor from the background. We will use Image Properties to select objects and delete the background. Now we have separated background and motor. We need to copy the main object, so we duplicate the layer pressing Ctrl+J. Let's rename layers 1 as background, upper effect object, and the main object. Next, move to the background image separated from the main object. Again, Image Properties, select the object and fill it. For the Edit menu, Fill, and choose Content Aware Fill. Return to the motor layer and apply the Liquify filter. Enable the Forward Warp tool, and wrapping the main object in this side as you like. Now after applying the filter, we need to hide this layer with the mask layer. To hide all layers from view, we use a black mask and apply a white mask on the main object. The difference between white masks and black ones. First, to get the white mask, we hit Alt then the mask button on the bottom of the layers window. The black mask hides everything covered with black color in the mask layer, otherwise the white masks unhide any object below the white mask color. Now how to make our image look swirl. By choosing a brush tool, we use an explosion brush with different size and angles, applying it in white on Effect Object as following, and black on the main object. No rules, just as it goes. The brush is available in descriptions below for download. Now we have the desired effect.